For most of history, we thought of our Milky Way as a calm, spiral galaxy, stable, elegant, and unchanging. But a new map of the stars tells a very different story. With the help of missions like Gaia and massive sky surveys, astronomers have reconstructed the Milky Way's chaotic past, revealing a 13 billion-year saga of collisions, migrations, and cosmic evolution. In the early universe, over 13 billion years ago, the Milky Way was just a shapeless cloud of gas and dust, forming its first primitive stars. Its spin was chaotic, and so were the orbits of its stars. Over time, small galaxies and gas clouds crashed into this infant Milky Way, spreading stars outward and building its halo. About 10 billion years ago, a dramatic event reshaped everything. A head-on collision with a galaxy called Gaia-Enceladus. The collision added stars, stirred the disk, and created a blob of stars moving through the halo, what we now call the Gaia-Enceladus-Sausage. It was the most transformative moment in our galaxy's history. But the violence didn't end there. Dozens of smaller galaxies continued to fall into the Milky Way. Each one brought streams of stars that now wrap around our galaxy like threads of light. Closer to home, powerful supernovae carved out a massive local bubble, a nearly empty region around our sun. Its edges are now giving birth to new generations of stars. And just like stars tell us the history, gas clouds tell us where stars are born. Together, their maps create a full, dynamic portrait of a galaxy that is not peaceful, but evolving, breathing, and alive. The Milky Way is not just our home, it's a living story, one written across 13 billion years in light and dust, chaos and creation.